Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to make a family calendar for 2025. If you're like most families, keeping track of everyone's schedules, birthdays, and events can feel overwhelming. But with a well-organized calendar, you'll stay on top of it all and reduce that chaos. Let's get started. First things first, decide on the format. You can go digital with apps like Google Calendar or Apple Calendar, which are perfect for syncing across devices, or opt for a physical one like a wall planner or a binder for a more tangible feel. Think about what works best for your family's lifestyle, maybe a mix of both. Next, gather all the key information. Sit down with your family and list out important dates, birthdays, holidays, school breaks, work commitments, and even recurring events like soccer practice or family dinners. Don't forget to include fun stuff like vacations or anniversaries to make it exciting. Now, let's make it visually appealing. Use different colors for each family member: blue for dad, pink for mom, green for the kids, so everyone can spot their events at a glance. If you're going digital, add photos or emojis for a personalized touch. For a physical calendar, get creative with stickers or drawings to keep it engaging. Set up reminders. In digital calendars, enable notifications so you never miss a beat. For physical ones, use sticky notes or a dedicated alert system. This step is crucial for staying proactive. Finally, share and review. If it's digital, grant access to family members so they can update it. For physical calendars, place it in a central spot like the kitchen. Make it a habit to review and update weekly to keep everything accurate. There you have it. A simple, effective way to create your 2025 family calendar. It'll bring your family closer and make life a lot smoother. Try it out and drop a comment below on how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more organization tips. See you next time.